If you use, if I use a small brush, I can draw. I can draw many things, you know, mountain, cloud.
but
so
this-
this is a big brush.
Yeah.
So should be simple.
Simple. Yeah.
Yeah.
Simple.
Mountain and water.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay, I'll try. You know, depends on place, you know. Someone like this, and someone. But this is a
This is all.
character. Middle is the top, highest. Understand?
Character of
Character,
water.
yeah, we are using character means water, and river also similar. River is river is this one. River. Similar.
River is
Because similar is this is
a little less.
ancient character is this one, and this one is water. This but you know similar.
It's a similar,
It's a-
but
Sansui. Sansui means landscape,
Sunshine.
mountain and
rivers. It's a
water.
landscape, no? It's a
You know.
it's a plus of the two characters. Is only one word, no?
Landscape is mountain and river water.
All right.
So this mountain, this one, this is mountain.
This is
Yeah?
one,
The water,
Water.
this is water. I'm using two characters
Two characters.
and
different
landscape.
landscape.
So I will try another one. Could you help me,
Yes.
please?
What this or this?
Maybe this. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Maybe this is the water, but the next one is I will try the river. River, some river. This is not water, river.
This
Because
is river.
you know, here is not continue,
Yeah, and this is continuous.
but three
Yes.
lines.
Three
Yeah,
lines.
sense river.
This.
And there should be a mountain is smaller, and top. This is 2,000 years ago. Other side, it's a make hole, and this is a burn. You burn, fire,
See?
and
Yeah.
it's very hot. And bone is a carving bone, the hold,
See?
the happiness.
And the happiness, yes.
We need happiness
Yes.
and the peace. In 45, that's before is we are using this style.
This style.
B, he has this one. This one is maybe. Could you please this, maybe something this one, and by hand, and not, this is a five fingers. But I told you for the character, Chinese character, 3 fingers. So maybe like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
You
is these
understand?
3 fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
This is bigger. This is smaller.
Yeah.
This is the same, same big, but because this is same.
Yeah.
But
See,
here,
the move and the position. Character.
yes, present character. Now we are using this one. But this part, this
this?
person's right hand, this one, and this one, and this one. You understand? Only this one, and this one is the same. And this one is. You understand? This one.
This.
This one.
It's the
this
blues
one,
of this.
one. Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
this.
Oh. He was stopped here. He stopped here, and
The walking.
he's thinking of something. I will go this way, or not this way. He's thinking here, at here.
Duke.
This
Stopping
is
this.
right foot and the left foot.
Right. Yeah.
This one. To walk.
To walk. L.
R. こういうこと。Walk.
Work.
Is that correct?
Walk.
No.
With
Walk.
L.
L.
Double
L.
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 All right. This is correct. All right.
Right.
To walk.
To walk.
To walk.
This one. Right and left.
Foot.
I will see top here. Left one,
Left
bottom
and right.
here, and this is a present style. This one. This one means to stop. This is explain. This character, you understand? This is a fighting. Fighting. This is right foot. This is a right foot. Same way. Means to stop.
Fighting.
To stop fighting. You know. This is means peace. No more war.
No.
And coming friendship. Friendship. This
is character.
Yes, character. Means friend. Fighting to stop.
Friends.
Friend. Paper too small, so it should be big. My heart. Sun. Moon.
There you go.
So I was so happy also. And next character is friendship. One is right hand, another one more. More. Nice hand. You like something word.
Some word.
Word. Something meaning.
Meaning.
Significant.
Significant.
We try. So love. Okay, love.
Okay.